Hello students, this is the second part of the experiment. In this experiment, we are going to discuss aim, material required, observation, result, precaution, all these things. So students, what is the aim of the experiment? The aim of the experiment is to show experimentally that CO2 is given out during respiration. So for this we require some materials. The materials which we require, they are beaker is here, they are beaker, conical flask, germinated seeds, a small test tube, delivery tube in U shape, cork with one hole, and KOH solution. Now students, we will arrange the apparatus as you can see in diagram. In diagram, I have taken a conical flask and I have put moist germinated seeds. You can take the seed of pea or gram. So I have taken the germinated moist seed. Now put this moist seed in the conical flask. Hang a small test tube in the conical flask containing potassium hydroxide solution. Now cork the conical flask and from one of its end insert a delivery tube. The delivery tube is in U shape. Inserts its other end to a beaker containing water. Now make the conical flask airtight just by applying Vaseline on its mouth region so that no air can enter from in the conical flask and no air or gas go outside from the cork. So in this way this apparatus becomes airtight. Now leave this apparatus for few hours. After few hours you will see that there is a rise in the level of water in the delivery tube. Students, why I have taken the germinated seeds? Because in germinated seeds rate of respiration is fast. That's why I selected germinated seeds. And second thing, why the liquid in the delivery tube has risen up, or how this setup proves that CO2 gas is released during respiration process. You know very well that during respiration process the oxygen is utilized. So when you put the cork on the conical flask and make it airtight, then the air which was trapped inside the conical flask or in the delivery tube, whatever amount it has of oxygen, that is used up by these germinated seeds. So once the oxygen is used up in the conical flask in the delivery tube, then there becomes a vacuum in the delivery tube or a low pressure creates in the delivery tube. Due to that, the liquid has risen up in the delivery tube. So if the liquid has risen up, then this proves that the process of respiration has taken place, and certainly the evolution of CO2 has taken place. Now, there is a question that if oxygen is utilized during the process of respiration, then CO2 gas is also released in it. Then how there will become the low pressure or vacuum? Students, in order to absorb carbon dioxide gas, we had put the potassium hydroxide solution in the test tube. So whatever CO2 gas is released, that is absorbed by this potassium hydroxide solution. So in this way, the oxygen is used up by the germinated seeds, and the CO2 which is released, that is absorbed by the potassium hydroxide solution. Due to that, there creates a low pressure, and the water of the beaker, it starts rising in the delivery tube. In this way, this experimental setup proves that during respiration, CO2 gas is released. Students, now you have performed the experiment and you have to write down its observation. So once, what will be its observation? The observation is that you have observed the rise in the level of water, which proves that CO2 is given out during the process of respiration. And likewise, you will write down the result also. The result is that during respiration process, CO2 gas is released. Now the next portion is its precaution. So for precaution, students, you must take germinated seeds and they should be in moist condition. Second thing, you must take the KOH solution in the test tube and hang it properly. So these are the certain precautions which you have to take. In next video, we will discuss for the next experiment